Welcome back to Around on a Bike's Base Camp. The plan is now to start working on this Honda CB650C from 1980. So there are a few things that I know that I need to do here. I probably need to change the gasket here as it looks. Also, the instruments need a bit of a fixing up. I know that the previous owner had a problem with the brake and that it was locked while he was riding it. So the plan is to just take the whole brake system apart, clean it up and see if that's what's needed. If there is anything else, I could actually just get the whole package from another bike and swap it over, so that's not a big problem. I'm thinking about giving the paint a little bit of a touch-up, and then again, obviously, I haven't decided what to do there, to keep the original color scheme or to make something a little bit more interesting about it. Also, it's not really that bad, and the wear is actually quite nice and pretty. And there are no dents or anything, so all in all, it looks quite good. One thing that needs to be taken care of is this rather poorly made fix on the indicator. The other side there is okay. This one has been MacGyvered or something. And then, obviously, a little bit of a clean-up and just make it look pretty. I have been thinking about swapping the handlebar to something more interesting, and then of course the question comes, should it be original or should it be a little bit more cool looking? And I haven't made my mind up. That's normal, isn't it? The top box here still belongs to the previous owner, so I'm going to take that off, and he's going to get that back. So yeah, that's the new project, Honda CB650C from 1980. So, I think that I will start with looking at the dials, because I recently saw an advert online for exactly the same instrument. So I'll start having a look at this, and if I can't fix it myself, then I can just buy the ones from the guy on the internet. As you can see, the tachometer is a little bit indecisive and just spinning around, the background is just spinning around. And as soon as I got it out of the bike, of the instrument panel, this little screw fell out. And I'm thinking maybe it's that easy, just to find where that's supposed to go in, tighten it up again, and Bob's your uncle. Let's have a look. This turned out to be a little bit more difficult than I thought, so what I'll do, I will go online and check if I can Google the problem, because most things like this, there is someone else in the world who had the exact same problem before, managed to fix it, and then posted online how to do it. So I'm gonna have a look and see if I can find a solution and then get back to you. So I have now found out how to do this, and apparently you need to get a little bit of a screwdriver, something in between this little band around here, and open it up all the way around until you can pull them apart. I don't know if I should tell you how I did this, but I managed to get it open. I actually put it in the vise with a towel around and just attached a little bit of pressure so that this bit came out a little bit, and then I could stick this screwdriver in and bend it out a little bit. You see, this is why I don't want to open it on this side, because I don't want this that I then fold back over to be on the side where it's visible. So let's see if I can get the rest of it done. It's gonna take some time. Okay, let's just fast forward until I'm done. Ooh. So there should be one more of those little screws, but it's not. There's only one, which means that one of them has fallen off somewhere along the road. Well, nothing to do. Now I can attach this little screw back where it's supposed to be, and I need to get another one just like it, which should be a cakewalk really. And then just try to get it all back together again. Okay, so this one is now attached again, the face here of the dial, and I'm just going to try to get it back into this, but I thought I would just make this a little bit smoother around with the pliers here, so it's easier to slide inside. I think I will use the vise to push them together and then try to fold this one in again. That works very well actually. I bet you it will work even better with the light on. I'm just doing the last little bits that I missed over at the vise, and making it more smooth, even around the whole way. And this, to get this one back again, that was the detail I was most worried about when opening this thing up. Turns out that it wasn't that big of a deal actually. Well, we're not 100% there yet, so let's wait with all the celebrations until proper time for them. It's not too bad around here, so I'm happy actually. I'm really happy. like new result. As I've been working on this instrument, I noticed that the clutch cable is running in a rather weird way here, so that one has to be sorted as well, and it's so stretched that it's weird if it's even working. So I'm gonna redo that. Fix this thing here, polish up. I need to change the gasket, and yeah, polish everything up. That's going to be fun as well, I think. So yeah, that's going to be enough for today. So up and have a kebab with my wife. That's all for today. But if you like the video, don't forget to click the subscribe button. If you would like to have a postcard from one of my trips, or if you want to have some of my stickers or something else funny from me, just go to my Patreon page, follow the link below.